Okay, we just completed our final folds on the top of the lid, so we're going to open it up just like we did the first time and following the folds here. The first two come down like that. You'll just pinch these edges in and your lid comes right up and over and down, and the same thing on the other side. Pinch these two sides in, up and over and down. And your final step here is just, again, make those edges nice and tight. And there's the top of your box. You may need to tweak it just a little at the end. There's your box top. What you want to do now, fill it. Fill it with a nice gift, some stuffing, candy, candy for the kids, something nice for your wife. Candy is always good, though, for your wife, too. We like chocolate. Put your lid on, and you can do one or two things here to finish it. You can tie it with a bow. You can just put one strand of ribbon around. That's called a belly band. But whatever you do to finish your gift, a homemade gift says a lot. So happy Valentine's Day.